Hello and welcome to Stitch the Season 2025. Today is our last prompt in our fabric book workshop, and this is for the cover of the journal. Now you could omit it altogether and just use a blank cover. Maybe you have some fabric you want to showcase that you used. But I'm going to put a label on mine, and so the prompt is label. I added some other things just to tie it all together, and I enjoyed it tremendously. Oh, I'm a little sad that the workshop's near an end. We'll have one more video after this where we assemble the book, and I'll give you a run through of all the pages I've completed. But let's get started on that final prompt today. So for our cover, I just want to label it. You can go extravagant, you can go plain, and if you really don't want to label it, you can leave it blank. So I have the Stitch the Season, which I trimmed from the printable download that I created. And then I have some of the fabrics that I used in the book. So I'm thinking of making like a collage of sorts here. Playing around with the layout. And then maybe have this here with a little bead, just to make it a little festive. So I'll stitch all that down. Okay, so I stitched everything down. I added a few decorative stitches, echoing the colors and some of the textures you'll see inside the book. So off camera, I'm going to stitch the page down, and then in the next video, we'll assemble the book and take a look at the final results. Oh, I'm so excited. So that's how I created the cover of my Stitch the Season fabric book. Can't wait to see snapshots of yours in our Facebook group. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And please come back for the final video in the Stitch the Season workshop.